today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious couscous soup recipe. Welcome to Tasting Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of pearl couscous, 3 chicken breasts thinly sliced, 1 onion, half a pepper, 1.5 cups of carrots, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and 3 tablespoons of oil. In a pot over heat, we're going to start by adding in the oil. Add in the onions and saute them. Now we're going to add in the pepper and continue to saute. Now add in the sliced chicken. Season with the salt, pepper, and the garlic powder, and we're going to cook the chicken thoroughly. Once the chicken is cooked, we're going to add in the paprika and the chicken bouillon. Add in the carrots, and half of the parsley. Add in 6 cups of water. We're going to bring the soup to a boil, and then we're going to add in the couscous pearls. We're going to cover with a lid, and we're going to cook until the couscous pearls are completely cooked. Once cooked, we're going to remove from heat. Our couscous soup is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.